Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials for you each day and I try to focus on new content with each video. I try to solve the problems that you face with on digital world, so if you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. My channel is thriving now with your support and I really appreciate it. Thanks for that. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. What I'm trying to do with this video is to tell you a bit about how to download images from Instagram. And there is no native option to download images from Instagram, so you'll have to use third-party software to get the job done. And you'll find two methods for Android and PC here. The first one is great for casual users as it allows you to download images from Instagram one by one without the need to install software on your device. And the second method requires an Android Windows app and is a better choice if you plan on downloading lots of images. And yeah, let's start with that. At first, how to download images from Instagram on Android. Find the Instagram image you want to download on your Android device and tap the icon above the picture, three vertical dots. You can just see that on the picture. And select copy link. From there, select copy link. And the next step is to visit Downloadgram's website and paste the link into the text box, long press and tap paste and tap download followed by download image. Once the download is completed, the image will show up in your gallery. That's it. I can just, show you one more time. At first, find the Instagram image you want to download on your Android device. Tap the icon above the picture, three vertical dots, select copy link, and then the next step is to visit Downloadgram's website, paste the link into the text box, and tap download followed by download image. Once download is completed, the image will show up in your gallery. That's really easy. And method 2, fast save for Instagram. Visit the Google Play Store and download the free Fast Save for Instagram app. And the next step is to launch the app, toggle on the Fast Save service feature, and select Open Instagram. Then just tap the icon above the image you want to download, again three vertical dots, and choose Copy link, and the app will download the image automatically. And you can see all your downloads within the app by selecting My Downloads or in your phone's gallery. I'll just show you one more time. Just visit the Google Play Store and download the free Fast Save for Instagram app, and then launch the app, toggle on the Fast Save service feature, and select Open Instagram. Then just tap the icon above the image you want to download, choose Copy link, and the app will download the image automatically, and that's it. Fast Save for Instagram might not allow you to download multiple images at once, but it does work a lot faster than the first method. If you plan on downloading a lot of pictures from the social network, this is the option you should go with. And how to download images from Instagram on PC. So, first method is Downloadgram. The website used to download images from Instagram to an Android device can also be used for your PC. And the process is equally simple. Find the image you want to download and click the 3 horizontal dots icon that will bring up a few options, and select Go to Post. Once that's done, copy the URL of the page and paste it into the text box on Download Graham's website. All there is left to do is to click Download, followed by Download Image, and wait for your PC to do its magic. And the other method, second method, is Save-O-Gram. Save-O-Gram is the way to go if you want to download multiple images from Instagram at the same time. To get started, download the software from the official website and open it once it's ready. Then just enter username, hashtag, or a link into the text box and select the images you want to download and click Download Selected Photos or Download as zip file. And you can also select all images at once to save time or print them. However, you can only use the software free for 7 days. After that, you'll have to dish out a one-time fee of $9, which is a good deal for those who download images from Instagram regularly. So, I'll just repeat these instructions one more time. Download Save-O-Gram at website and open it when installed. Enter username, hashtag, or link into the text box on top to see Instagram images. Select the images you want to download and click Download Selected Photos or Download as zip file. That's it. An alternative is to bookmark images on Instagram. If all you want to do is to save images to view them later, you don't need to download them to your device. You can just bookmark the ones you like. Here's how to do it on your Android device. Find an image you want to save and tap the bookmark button located below it. And that's it. To view all the images you have saved, head into your profile and tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select the saved option, and the process is more or less identical on PC. There you have it. These are the best methods you can use to download images from Instagram, although there are a few others available. And what do you think? Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching. The quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, or leave a comment below, and feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content, and I'll talk to you all in another video very soon. Bye.